Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome to Alukutu's Daily. So today I'm showing you guys how to make your own body butter, natural body butter and natural body glowing oil from scratch, from the comfort of your home. So these are all the things we need. We need an empty container for the body butter and for the body oil. You need like an oil container. I also want to make soap too, so this is the soap base I'll be using for the soap. That will be in like another video, but since everything is in here, that's what I'm showing you guys. This is the oil I used the previous time. I'll show you guys how to make this body oil. It's in this container because I couldn't find any better container. And I have this flavoring oil. It's just like a scented oil and it's going to give it like this chocolate smell. This is the oil we're using. And I have cinnamon. Just in case you do not know, cinnamon helps for hyperpigmentation and it helps even your skin tone. It helps with your face wrinkling and everything. Like this cinnamon, it does a lot. It does a lot. You can browse it. We have lime. You guys know lime is good for the skin, so we're using lime too. And I have some carrots here for brightening, obviously. And we have shea butter, coconut oil. This is going to be the oil base, the carrier oil base, and turmeric. So now let's get into the video of the day. So I'm going to list all of the ingredients I just mentioned on the screen, just in case you want to screenshot. Now these things are not expensive. You're going to even be spending less than 3,000 naira if you want to do this from the comfort of your home for personal use, because I use this on my skin. Like, look at my skin. This video is without filter. Like, I'm just using my normal back camera and this is how my skin looks like. And I've been using this for 3 months so far now, and this is 3 months since I stopped using the cream that we buy from the market because the chemical was just too much. I was having this these green veins were coming out my face. My face was uneven. Like, it was a lot for me to resort to this. It was a lot, and this is the best this is the best part. Honestly, it's the best part you can choose to go. So now let's dive right into this video. Okay guys, to start, this is the onion the carrots I got, and I did not use it the day because I wanted to film this whole process, and it's been like 2 days now, so the carrot has really shrinked a bit, but I know it still has its nutrients. So I'm just going to go ahead and grate this. Just watch and see what I'm doing. After washing it and scraping it off, go ahead to shred it like you see me doing in this video. Just slice it. If you have a grater, fine, you can just grate. Go ahead and grate it, but I'm shredding it because I do not have a grater right now to do that. So just go through this process of shredding it. Look at what's coming up like that. So just slicing it like this. So you guys, we are done shredding the carrots, and this is what it came out looking like. So after shredding the carrots, the next thing you're going to shred is the lime. I think this is lime, yeah. So you do not have to like cut it like this, just the peels. That's just really the meaning. Just need the peels of this thing. So just like, if you don't have a grater, I'm just doing this because for people that maybe you don't have a grater available, but if you have a grater, you just go ahead and take the peel. So like this, just the peel. I think everybody knows how to peel an orange here, so just like that you get the peel. Now we're going to add it into this mixture of the carrots that we've already shredded already. So just watch what I'm doing. So you guys, if you followed up to these points, that means you already know how to make your own body oil to glow. So this is the oil that we got from the whole mixture, and I don't know, I'm not able to squeeze anymore, but this is this whole mixture. So now I'm going to turn this into this bottle so we can see how much we got, but I think we got pretty enough to make our body butter. So only this one now, you can just use this one as your body oil. Rub this anytime and you're good to go. Guys, so we're finally done with our body oil to glow. Like, if you want your skin to glow, this is what you need. You guys saw the whole process. So now, why it's important, why I normally do the glow oil first, because once you've done this, to make the body butter will be so much easier. So you just need to mix this with your shea butter. Voila, your body butter is ready. So let's do this. This one is going to be like a very quick one. Guys, we're done making our homemade body butter and our homemade glow oil. So for now it's still in its liquid form, but the next clip you're going to be seeing it's what it looks like after 24 hours. Obviously it's going to become solid, and if you want it to become solid very fast, you can put it in the fridge or you let it to cool down. This is our glow oil, guys. This works magic. Like, I look at my skin, like what I'm telling you guys, that this is what I use. I made it like this now to start using it. I've been using this thing for like 3 months and my skin is way better than when I was applying different cream. I'm not going to be mentioning the brands because, you know. So if you liked this video and it was helpful, please like, subscribe, share this video to your family, your friends, whoever. See you guys on my next video. If there's a kind of video you want me to make on DIYs, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on my next video.